these are the problems I'm getting. Like, I'm accelerating right now, and it just goes up and down. The RPMs go up and down, and it's like struggling to go faster. I have to make a quick stop on red light. But yeah, I mean, I'm hitting the gas pedal, and it doesn't want to go fast. So I have to hit the gas pedal like slowly, and then it takes off. So I don't know. I'm gonna check to see. Okay, I have a green light. I'm accelerating slowly, and it's working fine. If I accelerate more, look, it goes up and down, and it doesn't go faster. So I have to let go of the accelerator, the gas pedal, and just hit it slowly. And like this, it works. But no power. All right, so I had to bring my truck to the mechanic to remove the fuel tank. It turned out to be a weak fuel pump that make my car hesitate, not going over 25 RPMs. So I saw a lot of videos on YouTube on how to remove it, but it turned out to be like super complicated. I didn't have the right equipment, so I had to bring it here to the mechanic. So this is how it looks. So we're going to install it probably in the next couple of hours. I'm still waiting for the part to come, and this is how it looks. What I recommend, I mean, my truck is the extended cab. It's not the 4-door one. So if you don't want to pay the mechanic, what I noticed you can do is you can cut the bed, like make a hole in the bed right here from the top part. You can make a hole and try to remove the fuel pump from there. But I mean, I don't recommend you do that. That's only like if you don't want to pay the mechanic to do it and you want to do it easier. You can make a hole in the bed, remove the fuel pump, and then cover the whole back, and I don't know, put maybe a flex tape or something to cover it. Again, I mean, I don't recommend that. It's just an option. It's just an option that you can have. But yeah, I'm going to replace that, and hopefully my problem goes away. Another thing, if you have the 4-door one, because I have the extended cab, if you have the 4-door, maybe you don't have to make the hole in the bed. Maybe you can do it. I think it's going to be more towards the inside of the truck, and maybe you can do the hole from the inside, and then the carpet will cover the hole. So maybe you can do that, but I don't know. That's me just giving you an option. So all right, let's see what happens. All right, guys, we just got the part in, the fuel pump. So there it is right here. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy it. As you can see, that's the old one. This is the new one. It also comes with a gasket, the filter and everything on there. So, alright, we're gonna put it on right now. Alright guys, the truck turned on okay. The fuel pump was replaced already. And now I'm test driving it as we speak right now. And it feels like it has power. Look, I'm flooring it right now. And whoa. Wow, finally, there we go. Now you can feel the power. Now it goes more than 2,500 RPMs. So that was the problem. It was a bad fuel pump, or actually a weak fuel pump. Like before, it didn't go more than 2,500 RPMs, and now look at now, it's going more. So, wow, you can feel the strain to the truck, the force. So that was the problem, guys. It was a weak fuel pump. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please give a big thumbs up. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna leave the link down below where you can buy the fuel pump. So yeah, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'm happy to say that my truck is fixed. Bye.